You wake up after a night of storm to find that the mulch you put in the landscaping around your house is all over your yard. A day of hard work in your yard was washed away in the storm. Stay tuned to hear 3 reasons why your home needs downspout drain extensions. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. I've been around the foundation business since my family started AccuLevel in 1996. I've worked here full-time since 2013. Downspout extensions is a simple concept to take a drain pipe to get the water farther away from your home that comes in from your gutters. We install downspout extensions to get that water a minimum of 10 foot away from your home to help protect the foundation of your crawl space, basement, and the footing over time. The 3 reasons your home needs downspout extensions are: number 1, to help prevent hydrostatic pressure, which is water pressure in the soil around your home and can cause your walls to bow or even water to enter in your basement or crawl space. The second, it eliminates pooling and washout near your home, which can cause your foundation to settle or water intrusion into your crawl space or your basement. And the third is it prevents those costly repairs, if you don't, that we just talked about. How long do downspout drains take to install? On average, if we're running those approximately 10 foot away from your home, it's going to take about 2 hours to do. If you want more information about downspout extensions, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, click the Book a Consultation button at the top right corner, and fill out the form, and we will be in contact with you within the next business day. Do you have questions about downspout extensions? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we would be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawlspace and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second to like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.